Hello students, welcome back from your winter break. We're going to start Greenfoot. So the intention of this video is to log in to the remote computer. How do we do that and who should do that? First of all, if you do not have or own a computer of yourself, this is the video for you. I'll make a separate video for those who own a computer and would want to just use their computer for Greenfoot. So this video is basically helping you log into the remote computer and then work with the Greenfoot. Okay, so let's get started. So here we have our Schoology, right? This is the Schoology page. There is a link for you way at the bottom in your CS course where you say logging into RRH's engineering labs from home, right? So you want to click on that. You did this before the break too, but I just want to have a little refresher. All right, so here we have it downloaded a PDF. You want to go to the PDF and click on the first link that you see. You could just go through these instructions, which is nice and easy. And I'm going to go through those just like how they are described here. So you would click here, then click on the VMware Horizon HTML access. At any point of time in this video, please do pause and go as it works with you. Here actually it skipped a logins window because I've already logged in. That's why it is not asking me for login again. Once you log in with your student ID and your student login, whatever password that you use for your student ID and student password, that's what you need to do. And then you would opt for the computer science, which would show up for you also. So as soon as I click that, this is my ID. It's logging into one of the computers in any school in the Round Rock School District. So every district computer is equipped with Greenfoot. If it is not, if you do not see Greenfoot, then log out of that remote desktop. Please do not shut down. I'll show you. Log out and again log in back again to some other computer which will have Greenfoot, but most of them should have. It's taking a while. So our intention today is to log into the remote desktop and download the files for each of the day's work and how would you do that, where would you do that, and so on and so forth. You see here there is a green foot. Literally there is a green color foot here, right? You would want to click that, but before you do that, okay, let's go ahead and do that. Then you will see. Then you would see a scenario here, right? So that is where we have to get the information from. So to open a scenario, I want you to open a scenario that we are providing, right? So where would we get that? So let's go ahead and look into that option. I would want you to go to class link from here. There is a class link, right? So you would want to log in to your class link. I would pause the video. I would log in and come back because I don't want to show my credentials to you. Okay, so I'm here. So I would go to Schoology and you would go to your course. I still didn't upload into our course yet, but for now I'm doing it in my PLC. You will see, you would go to the Spring 2021 Unit 1. You would go to, you can see all these things later, but I want you to go to the Lesson 1 intro where you will see some zip files, right? So let's look at this one first, leaves and wombats. So you would want to download it, okay, and show in the folder. So this is the folder, but you want to extract it to some place. So extract all, but don't take the default. I want you to, this is important, don't take the default. I want you to browse through this PC, and if you scroll down, you will see H drive. In your case, you'll probably see S and your student ID at this point, right? And then you'll see the H drive. Whenever I refer to H drive, this is what I mean. So this is where you want to go. This is your own personal folder in the school network where you can access. So you can access it from any computer in the district. So I want you to create a folder which has 2021. See, just like so. Okay, it's just like make a new folder and then name it 2021. All right, I already did that, so I don't want to overwrite that. And then you would want to create a CS1 folder. This is only to organize all your stuff nice and neatly. Okay, all right, so make a CS1 folder just like so. All you have to do is just right click, or there is a new folder option here. You can do that also. So you won't want to create a CS1 folder. Okay, the network is a little slow. Okay, and in that, yeah, this is where you want to extract. But I would even further, I created some more organization like semester 2 Greenfoot, and this leave it there. That's okay. So select this folder, right? And then extract it there. All right, just say extract. All right, so that's what you would see. And when you actually open this is what, there'll be a lot of stuff. You don't have to know at this point, you can as well. So the point here is you would now go to the Greenfoot, right? The Greenfoot where we started. Click on the scenario, say open, right? And you would want to go to this PC wherever you have just saved it. That is your H drive where you see your student ID. So, okay, so you must remember where you put that stuff. 2021, CS1, and here you go. This is where this is. Select this folder. Don't double click it. Just select this one. Because when you double click, it will go to the other paraphernalia. You don't want to go there. You just want to click leaves and wombats. Select this folder. All right. It's taking a while. Okay. And so let's minimize the other. Yeah, so update, just say update my code. So it'll update that for you. So this is the Greenfoot. This is the Greenfoot. Okay. So in another video, I'll tell you what to do with these and what is inside Greenfoot. That we'll do in a separate video. Okay. I hope this helps. All you have to do is log into a remote desktop. So right now I'm logging off only because I want to show you not to shut down the remote computer. You would want to go here. Do not go here. This is the red for you. Don't go there. You want to go here and say sign out. All right. You want to do sign out from here. Please never, ever, ever touch the power button. You shouldn't be shutting down the computer. It's a pain in the neck for physically going and again switching it on. So please don't shut off the remote computer. Okay. All you have to do is just sign out. All right. That's it. And this is it. This is the video's intention. Now I would see you in another video where we really talk about the Greenfoot. All right. Thank you.